Izzy here, and no, this is not my typical video on YouTube. This is actually me saying, I'm moving on. And it has to do with a personal family matter, so I can no longer be a member of the wonderful Digital Goja family. But guess what? That means there's an opening for you. There's somebody that needs to replace me. Now, I'm going to miss this place. I'm going to miss Adam and all my other cohorts in the wonderful world of Digital Goja. I've had a wonderful 3.5 years. I've done incredible things. I've learned a lot about YouTube. I've learned a lot about video editing, lighting, you name it. It's helped me out tremendous. And I want to open this up to you guys. So we're going to go about that next. Okay, so basically in a nutshell, I'm the Digital Goja showroom and community manager. I'm one of the faces in the showroom that's going to help customers with their photographic questions. And that means that I am the face of the Digital Goja YouTube channel. I work with Adam and other talented people at Goja to develop videos that you see and also the showroom experience here in Miami. Now, this is a great opportunity for you. It's a great time to join the team. There are big plans for, of course, our YouTube channel, and you could be part of that, sharing in that experience. Remember, we're up to over 50,000 subscribers, and you'll also be the face in front of over 1 million views and over 50,000 hours each month of view time. We get first access to incredible equipment. Some of the world's biggest brands like Sony, Canon, Tamron, Olympus, Sigma, and we help answer questions that are related to photography and imaging. And it's all able to be open to you if you are interested. All you have to do is click on the link below so you can find out some more. So again, it's been a great time for me here at the Digital Goja showrooms, and I'm sorry to go, but again, like I said before in the beginning of the video, this has to do with some family matters, so I have to move on. But again, it's been great, and continue watching our YouTube channel, and it could be your face on it. Happy shooting. Hi there, Izzy from DigitalGoja.com. Hello again, Izzy from Digital Goja Showrooms. And today we're going to take a look at the new Olympus tracker. What? Please share it with your friends that are videographers and photographers. Yeah, I'm going downstairs and get some merchandise out of the Digital Goja basement. Man, why is this showcase look? I've told Adam 1 million times, you have to set this up symmetrical. What the, oh my, when did this get here? This is the 100 to 400 millimeter contemporary. When did this get here? Adam! We're gonna have to take a closer look at this. I don't even know when it got here. I don't know when I have to send it back. I don't know if I'm dreaming. Oh! I'm not dreaming. I guess you know what day it is, because I'm fish-eyed. Yes, it's Izzy at Digital Goja Showrooms, and guess what? La 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 la. That's not it. That's definitely not it.
Happy shooting.
Happy shooting.
Wait.
Happy shooting. 3, 2, 1.
Happy shooting. Wait, did you say? 3.
1, 2, 3.